Dear viewers, today I'm talking to you about plant location. This is industrial manufacturing system at most important matter. Uh, Need to section of location, impression location, system view location, plant location, problem, advantage, and factories influence and plant location. Introducing the facility location problem is an important level decision making for a organization or of the key feature and process manufacturing system efficiency with determination where to place plant of facility. Okay, need for selection subtitle location. The need for selection subtitle location when starting a new factory. Number two, increase existing factory. Existing factory frames will new location in order to expand the capacity to place an existing facility in case demand for company and product can be give reach follower decision. Okay, whether expanded exciting capacity and facilities, whether to look new location addition facilities. Then plant location problem. First is selection of general territorial or organic. Second stage selection of community. Third stage selection of specific site. Selection of region. Selection of community. Selection of particular. Urban area, rural area, semi-urban area, near urban area. Selection of particular site. A condition that demand city urban location, highly skilled labor requirement, manufacture depend on urban utilization, acceleration communication and transportation facility, communicated supplier. Condition that demand suburban location, semi skilled female and worker force equal large space availability for feature expansion, community close to large population center. Condition demanding rural location, large size required for feature expand, requirement of the unskilled labor, manufacturing process dangerous and objectionable, low wage structure, low property tax rates, low cost of land. Advantages of urban rural location, excellent communication and network, good transmission facility, ability, skill and manpower. Factory in the market has high local demand, good educational uh, and medical facilities, higher cost land compared to rural area, suspend land and not available for expansion, industrial unrest due to trade union activities, management labor relation are much influenced by union activities, higher labor to a rural area, cheaper and ample ability of site, last and lever because of the limit mobility, no municipal restriction, good industrial relation, so and expansion and distraction and no slew and environment pollution. Okay, poor transmission network, no disadvantage location, no transportation network, no good communication facility, sourcing of components and materials should be from outside, far away from market, high advantage facilities and land availability and component urban location. Limitation due to constriction and suburban area become crowd and become urban tune with period. Important of location. Actually important of location, a company location efficient ability company in manufacturing feature location affected direct cost to and transportation from location cost of labor and other. Choose good location help to delivery product cheaper price and Hansen helps and complement companies cost. Failure to market good location become to the expense for company and have long lasting effect. Plant location is the major investment decision and selected the or wrongly it's going to affect performance and company location on selected the difficult to change and near failure. Okay, location is the very most important matters of industrial engineering and manufacture section because market related factories, intangible factories and compare between to the rural aviation market labor cost ability of land transportation communication facility and pollution control labor turnover union activities communication service school and hospital costing living store facilities and digital banking and IT and global facilities. Okay, factory plant location is the most important supply of the raw materials and single raw materials material source and weight lossing raw materials demanded and many more. Okay, so till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Because I am beginner and YouTube, I am beginner to lecturer, so everybody support me and subscribe my channel and watching my video. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.